Okay, hello everyone. So today, in this whole past week, everyone in the house has been sick. So we're gonna cook up a little something for that. So you get a lemon, and you want to zest up a whole lemon. Zest up the lemon, take the husks off, and then it looks like that. And on the back side of this, I have those, and I don't like to leave that and wash it off. So I'm just going to scrape it off with the rest of the lemon. Then it's gonna go back to the front, then I'll go back to the front and dump it in there. And then just throw the whole lemon in there. I put the whole lemon in there because after I zest the lemon up, I don't do anything with the lemon. I don't just like to eat them. I mean, I can eat them with sugar, but that's not something I like to do on a daily basis, is just eat lemons and sugar. Probably every now and then, but not on a daily basis. After that, I'm going to take some oil and put some oil. This is apple cinnamon. I'm gonna turn my stove on high for now. This is a new bottle, so I gotta open it up. What can I use? Okay. You don't need to pour much, but okay, so pour just a little bit, and then probably a teaspoon, and let it boil. So this is one way that I do it. Another way is I put a lemon in there and the orange with some cinnamon, and I'm not gonna add cinnamon because this is apple cinnamon, so I'm not gonna add cinnamon. I add some cinnamon in there and sometimes a little nutmeg. So lemon, orange, cinnamon, nutmeg. And after I do the oranges like that, the orange and the lemon, I cut the lemons in half. I cut the fruit in half instead of putting it in there whole like this one. But this one didn't really need anything except water and oil. But since we are all sick with stuffy nose, I wanted to throw some lemon in there as well. And this is supposed to work as a humidifier. That's something my mama said. That's where I got it from. My mom. Thanks, bye.